When you're trying to manifest or you're working on mindset work, something that happens a lot is really falling back into old patterns. And I hear from my clients all the time, I keep falling back into my old patterns. I keep going back to these old ways of thinking. Well, the good news is it's a normal thing. We have these barriers in place in our subconscious mind. And when we start to try to change things, these barriers or the terror wall is what I've heard it called, a lot of times will come up for everyone. This happens for everyone all the time. You're going to get scared. You're going to start freaking out anytime you try to make changes in your life because our normal pattern for things like this is to freak out, put the wall up, block it, stop it, don't allow it to go. Why would you want to change? Everything is just fine. This is our safety measurements that come into play anytime you try to make changes in your life. So when I work with clients, we're doing healing work. They decide that they want to change their mindset, their beliefs about money, about life, about relationships, about a certain relationship, anything, literally anything. When we do this, we're going to hit that wall. You are going to bump up against it. So what do? You keep bumping up against it. You keep doing it. You are going to be afraid. Do it anyway. Your mind is going to go crazy. Your mind is going to take you down this rabbit hole of we're all going to die. If you keep doing this, oh my gosh, the world's going to end. Somebody's going to find out. Like all the belief systems that come up, literally anything you have ever thought will come up. Keep bumping up against that wall. So when you hit it and you hear the thought processes going on in your head and you're freaking out, I like to remind myself, and I tell my clients to remind myself, the old me thought that. The new me chooses to think whatever it is that you're working towards. The new me chooses to believe that everything that I'm doing is working out perfectly for me. This new version of me that I am embodying, because this is what we're doing. It's not just about thinking and hoping that we're becoming this new version. This new version of me that I am now embodying me says I am confident and I am strong and I'm going to keep moving forward no matter what comes up inside of my head. The thing is, you're going to hit this wall. Just hear me say that. It is going to happen. It is a natural process. You're going to do it again and again. Pretty soon, when you keep doing it, the wall comes down. And now, instead of going clear back all the way to the beginning, we only go halfway back and we're not fighting it quite as much. And the thing is that I don't even really want you to look at it as fighting it. It's just part of the process. It lets you know that you're on the right path. It lets you know that you're making changes. Anytime we can see these little energetic things along the way, it's just giving you those little hints that things are working. It is working. It is always working out for you. It is working out quickly. It's working out even faster than you thought it could. So if we can start empowering ourselves to those thoughts, reminding ourselves this is just part of the deal. You haven't went backwards. You're not going backwards. The only time you go backwards is if you give in and you don't remind yourself that this is what we're doing now. That's the only time that you literally will go back and you'll stay back at that limit point is what I would call it, like that point where you were before. But if you keep reminding yourself, nope, the new version of me, this new embodied, empowered person in me believes this and chooses to believe this and chooses to continue to believe these positive things in my life, this is when you will work through that barrier. If you want to hear more about this, come and enjoy my She Rises Empowerment group. You're going to love it in there. We talk all about this. I coach you in there. We do group coaching, all sorts of lovely things. So come and join us inside of there. Like, share this video with a friend. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more of these, and I'll see you on the next video. So much love.